What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, man, the Forex Rockstar. Okay, I just came here on a Saturday because I just finished having a live session with my mentees, okay? And during the session, I think yesterday, if you're looking at this pair, you see this was like the 10th of May, right? Yesterday, I had a live session and one of my mentees asked me about this pair, and I told them to sell during a live session. I want you to see something. You can see it was the 10th of May. You can see right over there. And it was just somewhere around 5 p.m. South African time or 6 p.m. I don't know which is which South African time. And then I want you guys to listen to what I said here. And then you can now do the math on your own, you know. And because a lot of you people, you think maybe these moves, I come here and then I show it to you after it has happened or whatever. This is what I call the mastermind approach. This is what I call the mastermind approach. It's a mastermind approach. Mastermind approach. So what I normally do is I can call out these moves every day. Like I'm going to start a movement of doubling accounts for only 5 days. I'm only going to start a movement of doubling accounts for only 5 days. You start with $1,000, you trade with me for 5 days, you'll be sitting at 16 to 32,000. I mean, it's possible. I've done it. I mean, that's the only confidence I have. If I did it, you can do it. And in the end, everyone will have did it. Man, that's the way it is. That's the way it is. So, but it is what it is, guys. So I want you to see what I said here. I want you to see what I said. This was a live session. It was recorded, okay? It's recorded. As you can see, it's Zoom or it's a recorded session. And you can see it's on my platform. It was yesterday. It's 10 May. You see it underneath the date there. Let me just press play. Don't give them a chance. Check everything. I'm a doctor in this business. You see that? Okay, let me go back a bit. Just wait for a sec. Guys, this is how simple I do Forex. Wait for a sell signal here. When they give you a sell signal, don't give them a chance. Check everything. I'm a doctor in this business. You see that? You see that right there? You see that right there? You see what's happening? It is what it is, guys. It is what it is, guys. Let me show you now what happened during the market. You see, when I spoke about this move, the market was somewhere here, and now afterwards, the market shot down to that place over there. 35 pips, not bad, not bad at all, not bad at all, not bad at all. 35 pips. That's how much people could have got because it was on a Friday, and I was not really planning to do that. I just did it because one of my students asked me to analyze this pair. And that's how a live session goes, man. But I illustrate this thing. I demonstrate it. I showed it to people live while it is happening. Live while it is happening. I'm yet to meet somebody who is doing that, you know. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. I want you guys to share with me what you think, you know. So far I'm so happy. And I'm very happy. Please, for any inquiries, please email us, okay? Don't just call us or send us a WhatsApp. Email us on our email, which is forexrockstar01@gmail.com. There's somebody who is always there to answer your emails. I think by now everybody should be answered, okay? But it is what it is, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. God bless you. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for sharing and everything. People are learning. Thank you for people who send me feedbacks that I'm not going to go through the charts today and try and show you guys what was happening during the week. You all know what was happening during the week. You see what was happening during the week. There were highs formed every time. The lows formed. You know, it is what it is, man. The lows were formed and then people ate. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Same principle, same business every single day. Every single day. I don't want to show you guys this. You think I'm bluffing, okay? I'm not saying anything. I'm not even showing you guys. I'm just saying, look at the market. I'm just saying, look at the market. Look at the market. Look at the market. Look at the market. I changed this game. I changed this game. 41 pips. It's that simple, man. I mean, this has been happening. You can choose anytime, any day. I'll show it to you. God bless you. I love you guys all so much. I'm not saying anything. I am not saying anything. I am not saying anything. I'm a rock star. I'm not saying anything. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. I'm not saying anything. I'm a rock star. God bless you guys. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out.